A Toy Unboxers production.
Hi, I'm doing a Kogo Ninja Watch video. Now let's now look at the back of the box. Now let's now unbox it. And by the way, it is 6 and up. If you have this set and you are below 6, you need to have an adult with you. Now let's now open the baggie. Let's now put it out. Oh, this is a lot of pieces. Now let's now start by putting out these pieces. This will be a little hard, but you can do it if you are ages 6 and up. You just twist around and around, and then done. Twist and twist and twist. Even these pieces. This is money. This should be worth it. Now do the real thing. Oh, the ninja is now built already. Whoa, that was good. I didn't do anything, and the ninja is instantly built. Now let's now do this. 1. Oh, you do this, then you get this, then you do this. We have connected it. Now let's now move to the next one. First this, then let's get this, then let's now get the other piece, but instead we need to have this part, and finally the next part, another one. Now let's now get 4 of these, then put them on. Now place it. Then let's now put another piece like this. Then get the next piece, and it is 3. Then you'll get this part, and then let's now build it. This is a little bit too easy, but it will get a little bit harder. Let's get this, put it here at the middle, then you get 2 black pieces, then let's now put it. This will look like Chinese. Get this and this, then we are almost done. So let's put it 1 block away. Oh, I get it. We do it like this, so we can make it close and open. Then let's put it here, because this is where it belongs. Then let's now do the weaponry. Ooh, this is just like the same. This will be a little bit boring, but it is easy, so it will be not that boring. So let's now do it. It's so easy, blah blah blah. I can just do it in a few seconds. There we go at the top part. Then we need to get a clay stadium, but there's no more. What do we need to do? Oh, there is still one more. It was just hiding at the corner. Now we put it. Yay! Now let's put it here, and then here, and get this piece, and put it here. Now done. Now let's put these parts. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's here. And I need to check we'll put it again. And let's do it. Let's do that. And put this here.
Expect something new, fun, exciting, cool, and awesome. Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.